Hello and welcome to NE Life, the mirror of society. I am Brittany Therapy, and today here I'm with the winner of Miss Teens Assam-2023. She is none other than Simlir Kropi, and she is only 14 years old, and she have made our Karbi Anglong proud. So let us hear from her.
Thank you. My name is Simlir Kropi and I came from a very beautiful place called Rongthengtom, Difu, Karbi Anglong, and I am studying in St. Mary's High School, Difu at a standard 9. My father's name is Borsing Kro and my mother's name is Minuti Sopi. Thank you.
Okay, so can I ask you, how was your experience during Miss Teens Assam?
It was such a nice experience for me, as the groomers and the participants were friendly, and the groomers are Danny sir. He is such a nice one. He's such a nice groomer for us.
Okay, thank you. So can you please tell me about your childhood dream?
Since my childhood, I have dreamed to become a doctor because I want to help the poor and needy people who are facing with such diseases. Because I want to help them because they can't afford with such things, and I want to distribute free medicines to the poor and needy. Thank you.
Okay, so your thoughts are very pure, and I hope you can be a doctor one day and help the needy and poor people. And my next question is, why do you like beauty pageant? Why did you participate in beauty pageant?
I've participated in beauty pageant because my mom, she likes beauty pageant, and she encouraged me in participating in Miss Teen Assam beauty pageant. Thank you.
Okay, so can you please tell me about your happiest moment?
Recently, I have won the title Miss Teen Assam 2023. It has been my happiest moment of my life, and I have won the title Miss Kids Karbi Anglong, second runners-up 2023.
Okay, so that's really nice. Can you tell me who is your idol?
Harness Corson to Miss Universe 2021.
Yeah. Okay. So what do you like about her? Why is she your idol?
Her confidence made me inspiration for me.
Yeah, Harna's Corson too is such an inspirational moment, and I love her. Even I love her too because I'm a beauty pageant fan too, and I love her, the way she talks, the way she motivates people. I even loved that. I really loved her. So can you tell me 3 things about yourself?
I am friendly and talented, and I am childish type.
Okay. So can you please explain to me how friendly you are?
When unknown person talks to me, I'm not like annoying person. Like I'm very friendly. Like when they ask me about everything, I used to tell about it.
Yeah, you should be friendly to others because we shouldn't judge a book by a cover, right? Okay, you have a very lovely crown right now. You're wearing a very lovely crown. So, can you please tell me, after winning this title, who have who have congratulated you, who have supported you?
Firstly, my mom, my parents, and my friends, teachers, and everyone.
Okay. So similar, can you tell me how did you manage your time between your studies and beauty pageant?
Okay. Early morning, I used to go to school, and when I get a free time, I used to watch some videos and get some ideas from it.
Okay, that's really good. Yes, you should focus on your studies, and you should be passionate about what you do, because beauty pageant is all about encouraging women how to be a voice to people. Yes, that's very true. So similar, now these people have a lot of negative thoughts about beauty pageant. So what do you want to say about that?
According to me, beauty pageant is something that doing good for the society and being voice for every woman. As I have maintained my academic career and passion on beauty pageant, and I'm proudly representing my Karbi attire in Miss Teen Assam 2023. And lastly, I would like to thank Mr. Gautam Tarang sir, the founder and the president of Kajirong Hangpi Memorial Talent Hunt Society, and Spark Rizumiller sir. And and thank you so much, and Eli, for having me here today. Thank you.
Okay, so yes, it's true that beauty pageant is all about encouraging women, being a voice to them. Yes, it's really true, and yeah, you have showed your Karbi traditional attire in beauty pageant, in state level beauty pageant. So I'm very thankful. I think even our Karbi Anglong people will be so proud of you. In such a young age, you have done a very proudful moment for our Karbi Anglong. Yes, she is none other than Simlir Kropi, the winner of Miss Teens Assam-2023. So thank you for watching Any Karbi Life, the mirror of society.